In this demo, I'm testing my new AI-guided software assistant. The idea is simple. The system watches my screen in real time, understands what I want to do, and then uses its own virtual cursor to guide me through every step. In this test, I asked the AI to help me add a monkey mesh inside Blender's 3D viewport. Even though my API credits ran out and I couldn't record the full session, the AI still analyzed the part of the screen it could see. It automatically detected Blender's interface, the side menus, and the add options. Then, using its own virtual cursor inside the app interface, the AI highlighted exactly where I needed to click. Step by step, the system showed me the correct location of the Add menu, then the Mesh category, and finally the Monkey option. Even though the guidance was limited due to the short recording, the AI successfully showed the working concept, real-time understanding of my screen and live visual instructions using a controlled AI cursor.